For volume.
Bro, look here, what's your brain rot?
Oh my, see. Oh my, there's no guys. Someone let's put the trap here.
Guys, I'm gonna check the 1 minute. Oh my goodness. Bro, oh my goodness, guys, I'm gonna tell you now my new cup. I didn't even buy a new bean because I'm mean. Because the missing event, guys.
Someone is oh yeah. You better reset. Guys, you just reset it.
It's so dumb.
Guys,
Oh, I need to look at it.
when is the fishing event
The fishing
starting?
event is like 31 minutes or something, or 31 minutes.
In 31 minutes. And
Bro, I'm gonna steal a brain back.
someone just stole a brain or a what literally.
The guy who stole your brain or
Guys, I just
living. You stole trophy.
Did you literally stole that?
Yeah, for you, bro.
Oh no, yes that
Bro,
guy.
I already have one, so yeah.
Dang. Wanted to like go
From the
steal.
fishing away. Guys, if you see my last video, I think it's now done.
Hi semi-fan.
Oh, hey, bro.
Huh?
Guys.
Okay guys, I'm now coming.
And says after your
Ma? Now. Ako ikut. Wait, actually, I need to go to my place. Oh no! Guys, someone literally just don't. Someone's saying, "Can me protect me? Come protect me."
Bro, this guy's always stealing of you.
Brothers.
Bro, I literally know that guy. We literally play together. I'm friend requesting him. Bro, Urkala. Oh my days. Bro, why? Oh, bro,
Guys, I
that's numbers. There's 2 Urkalas.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah,
Bro, ons is literally
sorry
die
guys.
man sa server. Ons is in die crazy server.
Oh my goodness.
Guys, we in a crazy server. 28 minutes and 20 seconds.
Hey, Vicky.
I just got the speed go for Autobahn. Bro, a brain not got stoned. Bro, a brain not got stoned. A brain, oh, hey, but bro.
Oh, a Coco Elefanto just spawned.
Elefanto.
Coco Elefanto.
Oh,
Guys, a Coco Elefanto just spawned. I don't know if he has like luck, but maybe Sam is in the server. That's why
Yeah,
he just.
he has a secret island. No one knows about it. 1 hour.
Bacon, can you just get out? Wat speel?
Ons maken nou een video.
We gaan nou spelen. Pakken we nu video's de klas.
Zie?
Waar speel?
Bro! Someone almost literally steal your brain. This guy wants to steal.
Yeah, I know, bro. The bacon. Guys, this bacon is
Bro,
always, I don't know,
we-
he's hungry for
whatever.
brain records.
We need one rebus. Get it? I'm going auto buy, bro. I'm going.
What do I need to rebirth? A therapy, a gangster food. A therapy I just found already.
Bro,
That's
are you really gonna rebus?
Yeah.
Oh, that $1 billion you're gonna have is going to disappear from you.
Got the point.
What did you say? I got the point. Bro, my secret rebus. A trippy like this one.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna rebirth.
No, boy, I'm not losing all my billions. Bro, just go away from here.
Guys, I don't actually like this bacon. He always keeps on standing. Let's try to slap this guy.
Oh my god.
It's lit.
Bro, this guy is lucky. Boy. Bro, come here. Come here right now. Come here. Oh, you.
What
Oh
the
my
hell?
goodness.
Yes, there was you
Oh
and
my
that.
guys. Speed boils. Huh? I don't mix it. Bro. Bro. Whoa. Wait, I didn't
Someone is stealing my brain rods, bro.
Bro, this guy, I'm gonna. Bro, go out of my base, boy. Go. Ow! I said, ow. Just get it up. Go out of my base. Go out of. Go. Finally, he said to Everton.
That's so serious.
Oh my god.
Is this elixir?
Bro, I need to play strips. Right? Ooh.
Guys, I also like. No.
Bro, I want one urkalera.
Okay, guys, I'm just now.
Bro, someone is stealing los urkaleros. Bro. Oh my god. Speed.
Guys, I'm buying traps now. I don't care how much I spend. That game must steal their brain.
Bro, this guy's what?
What?
Bro, my friend literally stole my los Bro, now someone stole my los.
Guys, I have a lot, like 4 traps. I literally just bought.
No. You better reset your avatar, boy. I'm not playing with your kid. Just go away from my base.
Yeah, they can just steal
I
it.
want Urkala. Oh.
Bro, what?
Someone steal los urkaleros too.
No, they didn't. They wanted to steal it, but they couldn't. And why are you in my place?
I want one urkala.
Nah.
Please.
Nah,
Bro,
bro.
I need to reset my avatar.
Why do you need it?
Because I like.
Haha. Lucky?
What? What am I lucky? Someone stole my.
That elixir thingy, don't know what.
I'm gonna check on the events right now. The fishing. 22 minutes. 20. Bro. Let's go.
What now?
Pita puta mo! Bro, stop looking up, boys.
What the? But first, if you want it, get out of my base. Are you serious? I did like little places
Bro, what
trips.
do you mean? I am out of it.
I'm not going. Guys, I'm like, actually, I'm not going to go.